everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Friends, and it is the Mobile Fashion Boutique set 41719 from 2022 to 2023. As you can see, this is the Mobile Fashion Boutique, and you open this part. It's a mirror, and the characters you get is Camilla and Stephanie. And Camilla has this beautiful purple hair, and you get this beautiful coral pink and white bar stool, and also this coral pink helmet, and all the accessories. See, and the helmet visor can open and close, and this is what the Mobile Fashion Boutique looks like from the back. And on this side there's a scissors and a hairdryer. And this is what the mirror looks like folded in, with a beautiful cash register on the inside of the Mobile Fashion Boutique. And I bought this a few weeks ago at Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below. And please share the links to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.